Hi everyone, my name is Bella, and today I bring you nature and the beauty of nature. When God created this world, created the world with very beautiful things in it, and one of them is the nature in it. Look at this, and probably it will help you to appreciate the nature around you. um, some of you are out there, you're going through a problem, you're going through a situation, um, you're heartbroken, you're disappointed, you've lost your job, you have a lot of thoughts, and you're indoors all the time. You're sleeping indoors, you're there daytime, nighttime, afternoon. Some of you are working so much in that you do not even get, you feel like work is you. You and work are inseparable. Please try to get some time and just walk around the nature and just feel the atmosphere of the nature. Today we are here in Utby in Sweden, and just look at this. Just look at how beautiful this is. You can just come and take a simple walk, and just calm yourself down. Just look at these tall trees that are looking so amazing, very beautiful. And then just look at the rocks behind these trees, and it's just incredible. It just makes you feel calm. It's quiet. You go away from your phone, from TV. You have kids, they make a lot of noise in the house. You're in the car all the time. When you come here, it's different. You're going to experience another life, and this is something that people do not give attention, and yet it is always around where we live. Embrace it. Embrace nature. Today I'm taking you through, this is like I can call it a mini forest, and it looks so beautiful. Just hear the wind. I mean, this is the way to go. You feel depressed, you feel like crying, you just come and sit on these beautiful stones, and just calm down. And I mean, just calm down. You just relax your mind, and this will impact your health so much. It will improve your health, it will improve your social well-being, it will make you feel different.